Kenya's election to the United Nations Security Council in 2021 for a third time, mara ya tatu, justifies its capacity to shape global governance and advance Africa's voice in multilateral diplomacy. We do not take this for granted. Kenya has played a pivotal role as the global environmental capital. Since 1972, we have hosted the United Nations Environmental Program, UNEP, global headquarters. Today, Kenya is home to one of the largest UN duty stations, hosting approximately 20,000 staff operating under the umbrella of the United Nations office in Nairobi. This population of UN staff is set to increase in 2025 as many staff relocate to Nairobi as part of the UN Greater Reforms Plan. The UN has also made significant investments in the country, and as a country, we will soon have a venue that can host a United Nations General Assembly. This is huge and transformative for our country. It is expected that the investment could be close to $400 million US. You will recall that Kenya hosted historic events such as the Third World Conference on Women in 1985, the United Nations Environmental Assembly in 2021, and the inaugural Africa Climate Summit in 2023. These and many others have solidified the country's position as a global hub for diplomacy, international trade, and investment.